Hello everyone, welcome to Task IAS. Today we are starting a new series on ethics paper. This is most crucial GS paper for mains preparation, but at the same time this is also highly neglected paper because generally students start preparing this paper after their prelims. But always remember, time period between prelims and mains is for revision, not for starting any newspaper. So you have to utilize this time for revision and practice. And also remember, this paper require less knowledge but more skills. So we are planning this series according to demand of the paper. Here our planning is that we will discuss every topic in detail, then we are covering every single word of syllabus so that you will not miss anything, and also we are focusing that you will develop skills so that you can write answers of those questions that you are hearing first time in paper. For this we are also making some strategy where you will have detailed knowledge of every topic given in syllabus, as well as you will have list of personalized examples at the end of the course, and also you have to do some daily practice so that you will develop writing skills as well. Our strategy is that this is detailed ethics syllabus where I have divided topics into various subtopics. So every day topics that I will cover, you have to underline those topics, and later you have to organize your news, your daily life examples, or your past experiences, or any special quote. You have to write hint of those part in your syllabus here only. For example, your tea shop's experience, you can write a hint here, and then you can write your own examples in A4 loose sheets, so that at the end of the course you will have idea that you have covered every topic, even a single word of syllabus, and you have your own personalized examples. These two steps are crucial for ethics preparation, even for every GS paper. And when you are attending these classes, at the end we will give you some questions so that your writing practice will be going on in parallel. So I hope you have liked our preparation strategy as well as planning. So you can like our channel so that you will not miss any update. And this all for today's session. I hope we will all meet in next session. Thank you.